Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPad is online and your Apple ID is set. Once done, install and open the Google Docs app. Tap Sign in immediately. This is the first actionable step, and choose Add Account if you don't see the one you want. You'll be prompted to pick a Google account or enter email. Make sure you use the account tied to your documents. This avoids switching later and saves time when we authorize access. Once you enter your email and password, follow the on-screen prompts. If you use two-step verification, approve the code or tap your security key. Make sure to grant Docs permission to access Google Drive. This is why your files appear in the app. If you need multiple accounts, use another account and sign in again. Make sure you toggle the correct profile in the top right. These steps connect authentication to file access, so verify account. Finally, confirm the correct account appears in the Docs app and wait for initial sync to finish. Once done, your recent files should load. If sign-in fails, force quit the app and restart your iPad, then try signing in again. This clears temporary glitches. If two-step verification blocks you, use backup codes or temporarily disable the method on another device to complete sign-in. Remember, reinstalling the app resolves corrupted installs, so try that before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.